Hello and welcome to Direct Order powered by SalesLitre. This is our login page. Please enter your username and password, then click Login. This is the customer list page. It can be found by clicking on Customers and List. This is where it's going to list all of your active customers in the system. We are able to filter by active and inactive customers, different licensee types, and different warehouses in which the customers are based out of. If you make any changes to these filters, you must click Set Filter in order for the changes to take place. You will see that some of the headers have little arrows next to them. This means that they are clickable and sortable. They will either sort numerically or alphabetically. Over here on the right-hand side, we will see an Action button. This will give us an option to view or edit the customer. If we click on View, will take us to the customer history page. Here's where you'll find basic information on that customer, like the license number and address, where they're located on a map, and if you scroll to the bottom of the page is where you'll find their previous order history. To add a customer to your customer list, it can be done by clicking on Customers and Add. This will take you to the Add Customer page. Before we go ahead and add a customer to your list, please use the Search for an Existing Customer function. You can type in a license number or a keyword to search for that customer's information. If we find the customer you're looking for, you can click on it there. It will fill out all of their basic information. All of this information is locked as it is a public customer. If you notice any changes that need to be made to this customer, you can click on Submit a Change Request, which will then direct tap a message to update this customer's information. Thank you for watching the tutorial video on Direct Order powered by SalesLitre. If you require additional support, please visit the link in the description of the video below to take you to our support page.